Hey everyone, Mike here from Gadget Life. In today's video, I'm going to be checking out a power bank that I was looking at on Amazon. It has really good reviews, 23,047 reviews, and had 4.5 stars. So you certainly can't beat that. Wanted to pick up a new power bank for my cell phone, and this is the one I got, and this is the one that I'm going to be reviewing. Okay, the one that I picked up is from a company called Blavor. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I got it off of Amazon, and I'm going to go ahead and open up and see what's inside now. All right, so here is the power bank itself. Grab this out of here. Actually, just kind of feeling it even in this little packaging here. It looks pretty solid. So get rid of that. And it has a little card here. So, dear customer, it's kind of a thank you card. Talks about the solar and that kind of stuff, so I can read that a little bit later. This is it. Actually, it comes in, I believe, 3 different colors. This one is the red one, and I believe it comes in, let's see, there's red, black, dark green, blue, and orange. So I was wrong. There's 5 different colors. Like I said, I got the red one here. And, okay, I'll put that there for a second. We have our welcome guide. Kind of tells you everything about it, I guess. Kind of gives you all your directions of what's going on. It comes with a USB-C cable as well. So there you go, it comes in handy. Obviously you're gonna need that for charging your phone. But wait till you see what else this has. It has a little, making fun of it, called a little bag of chiclets, but you certainly don't want to eat those, those really aren't chiclets. And it even comes with a little compass that you can put on your backpack or whatever if you're doing outdoor stuff as well. So that's pretty cool. Little added feature there as well. So let's go ahead and get to the power bank itself. Okay, I'll go and open up the little flap here, and you'll see that it has the 3 USB ports. It has a regular USB, it has a USB-C, and a micro USB. And you use those for charging your phone and charging the unit itself. You can use this cable here. All you simply need to do is to charge your phone, put it in the center, connect your phone, and it will charge. If you're ready to charge the power bank itself, you can just turn that cable around, put it in the USB-C port, and then you can go ahead and use one of the, this isn't included, but you can go ahead and use one of these AC adapters and plug it into your cable also, the USB cable. And if you had a micro USB to plug into the wall, you could use that port to charge up the unit. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it on and take a look real quick. And you can see it comes with the little lights to show you how much charge the charge bank has. So right now it's fully charged, as 4. Actually, it came that way with the fully charged. You can see there's also a little green light there telling you that it's on. And on the back, it also has a green light showing you that that's on there as well. And this is the side that you'll be using the wireless charging. Some of the other cool features right here is a solar panel. So you can actually, if you're out doing hiking or something like that, you could actually use the sun to charge the power bank. And from what I read, it actually takes like 2 days, something like that, maybe at least a day for it to do a full charge using solar. So it's really, when I was reading about it online, it's really more for like emergencies. If this thing is down, then you can, you know, this is dead and your phone's dead, you can at least charge this probably in an hour or so to get enough to get your phone started if you need to make a phone call or do whatever there. They do not recommend setting it on a windowsill or anything like that, because this will actually heat up a little bit too much and basically ruin it, and you're kind of screwed there. But they do recommend, like, if you're taking it outdoors, just like hang it on your backpack or hanging it somewhere, so it'll actually start charging in the sun based on that. It's not going to be a full-blown sun going on there and doing a really fast job, but it will add some power while you're walking around and you don't even realize it's going on. You'll see this little green light is still on. That means that this it's actually charging itself using the lights that are around me or outside, depending on where you're at. So if you know it's turned off, but you see that little green light on, don't worry, it is actually turned off. But the power, it's showing that is being charged by the UV rays in the sun, which is pretty cool. On the back is actually where you would do your wireless charging. You can just go ahead, put it down, set your phone on there. In fact, let me go ahead and do that now. Here is my Note 9, I think it is, a Note 9. I'm way behind on my cell phones. Unfortunately, it does not. Actually, let me go ahead and turn this on. Let's see. There we go. Okay, it's on. Unfortunately, you can see a little green light here. Because of my case, it's not going to work. It's not going to do anything like that. So for my situation, I got to, because this happens with all of the wireless chargers that I have to take my case off, which is a little bit of a pain in the butt, actually. Let me see if I can just take this one part off. So the one I have at home, they put on there. Oh, there we go. Actually, it is going to start charging with just this this outer case on, because my case has a rubber one underneath as well. So depending on the case you have, you may have to take it off, or you might be able to leave it back on there as well. But it is charging, and you can see the little flashing green light kind of showing that it's charging as well, which is really cool. So that makes it easy. If you happen to misplace your cable, you can still charge it wirelessly. Very handy. One of the other cool features, and again, this is kind of going for the outdoorsman or outdoor woman. It also has a couple of lights on here as well. There we go. Okay, there we go. We have our lights. Pretty bright, pretty handy, especially if you're in the dark. Obviously, like I said, this is really good for camping, hiking, that kind of stuff, the outdoors. So the light feature is another bonus. It's another thing that makes this thing really cool. So it's definitely rugged. Has the lights. You see, we can turn it off here. I think if you just hold it down, yep, and it turns back off again. So let's go and look at some of the statistics about it. This particular one is a 10,000 milliamp hour, and it is compatible. I think it's pretty compatible with most devices, but actually what it says on Amazon here is the iPhone XR, XR Max, XS, X8, 8 Plus, Samsung Galaxy S9, S Plus, S8, S8 Plus, and all the QI-enabled mobile devices. So it sounds like as long as you can do wireless charging with your phone, this bad boy will go ahead and do it for you. Again, I talked about the solar. You don't want to kind of sit on a windowsill. That'll actually kind of ruin the solar panel itself. You just kind of want to hang it somewhere so it's not a direct sunlight hitting it. And let's see, it'll actually charge an iPhone 7 Plus up to 2.2 times, an iPhone X up to 2.3 times, and an iPhone 8 up to 3.5 times. So you can get some pretty good charging times out of this once this thing is fully charged. It's not going to leave you out in the cold if your batteries dies and you're camping, or you're heck, I'm always talking about outdoors. Even if you're indoors and you're, say, at a business conference or something like that, and you can't get anywhere near a plug outlet, this thing will save the day for you as well. Again, it is very durable, which I think is pretty cool. So if you bang it around a little bit, again, outdoorsman, if you bang it around a little bit, it should be fine. You just don't want to break the solar part here. I'm guessing it's probably going to be splash resistant or water resistant. I don't think it's waterproof. I think if you put this thing in a lake or something, you're kind of screwed. But probably if it hits a little bit of rain or a little bit of water, I'm guessing, and I have to look at the directions, so don't take my word on it, I'm guessing this would actually be pretty okay with that. The price of it on Amazon at this time is $30, basically $29.99 if you have Prime, and it gets free shipping. All right, so there you have it, the Blavor 10,000 milliamp power bank, and it's solar powered, wireless, has lights, comes with a compass, very rugged. What else can you look for in a power bank? It's actually pretty cool. And it is, like I said, 30 bucks on Amazon. You can't beat that. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification bell so you can know whenever I come out with some new ones, and watch out for my next video.